What do you do when you get a scan where there's a lot of noise and scatter? Well, here are two methods that you can use to remove as well as reduce any of that artifacting that may be in that patient scan that you want to work with. First is you can come over here to your left-hand control panel and adjust brightness and contrast. So that can help reduce any of that artifacting. Second is you can use your cut tools up here, freehand sculpture and polygon sculpture, to actually cut parts of that noise or scatter away. A really good method to do this, especially to remove that artifacting around the patient's dentition, is first what we want to do is we want to enable clipping. Then we want to choose flip. And now we want to select coronal. So this way we can scroll through our slices from behind. And now I'm going to rotate this to the back. And as we scroll through the slices, you can see that this makes it very easy to see as well as isolate the problem areas that we would like to remove. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to select freehand sculpture, and I can come in here and draw a line around the part of the scan that I want to remove, and now I can proceed by using our cut tools to remove those problem areas. So you can keep scrolling through your slices, and then you can stop at any point. And a shortcut to enable freehand sculpture without having to continuously go up to your toolbar and click on the icon is you can hit Q on your keyboard, and that will enable the tool. And then you can, as you scroll through here, keep hitting Q to enable freehand sculpture, and then we can just keep removing those parts of the volume. So again, I'm just going to keep scrolling through here, stopping where I need to, and delete those parts of the volume. Now that we are done going through and making the edits to the patient scan to get rid of the artifacting, now we can take a look at a before and after example of the case that we were just working with. So on our left hand side is the case before we went through and started making those edits, and then on the right hand side is the same case after we went through and made our adjustments to reduce the artifacting. So you can see quite a bit of a difference between these two images.